Welcome to whatever stupid channel this is. Today I'm gonna be talking a bit about my e-bike build. It's not really finished, but I wanted to show off what I've made this for. At this point the bike was really starting to take shape, and after fabricating a battery mount and mounting the display, we decided to go for a test ride. While my friend was very careful while riding the bike, I was not, and this happened. But it was no big deal, just a quick trip to the local bike store, and I had myself a new part. Here's a quick note on what happens when you run a 2 kilowatt electric motor at full power while braking. Bike brakes aren't really designed to handle this much power, and so they started smoking. I want to thank you for watching this video, and just remind you that I'm making a follow-up on this, so if you want to see that, please subscribe.